Hello.
Okay, Pei Yee, would you like to share with us what is your background?
I'm from Malaysia here, working in bank. So the past 2 years has been working from home. So that these past 2 years, I have gained a lot of weight because working from home, I have a very bad habit that is snacking and snacking unhealthy items,
Ah,
fried stuff, chips, anything that can find in the kitchen or order away from Grab.
I like it too.
Yes. So then actually last year I did trying to search and then came out a few things. So one of them was just Be Fit. So that's how I came to know about this lean and tone program. And because why I take the determination to join is because this year, actually last month when we started, we all are now going back to office with 1 to 2 working days in office. So because of that, I took this program also to make myself back in shape and also to learn the proper way of eating and sustaining it. Because before this, I did IF, I did lose weight, but I gained back very fast.
Ah,
I do the 16-8 where I skip my breakfast.
16-8 is intermediate fasting, is it?
Yes, IF. Where I don't eat breakfast. I started my meal with lunch. So yeah, that was my fallback issue I have with IF, and then it was not consistent. And then I also I was not aware. I thought it was healthy because I was also eating chicken and fish and seafood a lot, but my veggie was mainly broccoli and carrot, which is wrong because they are carbs. I didn't realize that it was actually supposed to eat more leafy veggies. So from this program, I learned about a lot of things like how what is saturated fat, things like that.
Ah, so basically you learn a lot of nutrition knowledge in this program. Very
Yes.
good. So what is your result after joining this program?
So actually this is my second season. So my first season I started with 57.2. So now I'm 54.55. The last I weighed 2 days ago. So I think I had a 2.65 drop.
Whoa.
Yes.
So it's total like how much kg?
2.65 kg. Sorry, I don't know how many percentage.
So it's like almost like 3 kg. Yeah, you lost.
Yes.
Wow, amazing. But actually, almost 3 kg lah. Okay, count it 3 kg. But from your before and after photo, right? It's like a huge difference. You see your belly. It's
yes.
like firm up.
Not only that, it was bulging out.
Wow.
I know people ask me whether I was pregnant, and sadly to say, I was not even pregnant.
Nice. I also got see your the shake, right? I saw your puppy there.
Yes.
Yeah, amazing. So yeah, and also what are the words of encourage words for the people who trying to lose weight or get healthy? What would you like to say to them?
I guess also from here I learned that the support like we all get from the daily thing, the daily video, and also that the posting of everybody posting, it helped a lot because it actually motivate me also because some of my cooking I follow people also. I follow how they steam fish, things like that. I follow their formula how to mix the fruits, all this and that into the shake. So that is very important for me, I feel. So I guess to people out there who want to join, I guess, yeah, that's the most, for me, I feel the support was there. It's quite very important. And also all these daily sharings and also those videos, especially for me was also, I take a lot from that myth about carbs because I always thought carbs is not good. Because when I was doing intermittent fasting, I totally quit rice, nothing, no carbs, but I ate a lot of broccoli.
So you mean like community support really helps you?
Yes.
Yeah, so amazing. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, amazing. And who would you like to thank in this journey?
I would thank Mei Yee, my coach, the most, and also every other people who are in the past 2 seasons, because I do learn a lot from everybody.
Amazing.
Especially when they share their food, because I copy their way how they cook the dishes, or how to eat healthy, especially when they go out. I follow how they like when they go to eat in Japan, how to take what like that.
Ah, nice. So what is your goal next?
My goal next, I want to reach 51 at least. And also, yes, I also to tone up more on my tummy.
Amazing. So 51 kg is like lost 2 to 3 more lah.
Yes, another 4 kg.
Amazing. So you're gonna join the MOP or BTC, is it?
Maybe I'll try my best.
Awesome. Yay. Thank you, Pei, for sharing.
Thank you.
Amazing. Okay.